Namaste. I'm Kushal Sachdeva, founder of Vastu Kripa. We are based in Mumbai. Due to this ongoing corona crisis, maybe many of you are compelled to work from home. Perhaps you're finding ways and means to improve your life and business. In this video, I'm going to share with you powerful, effective, easy to do Vastu tips which will help to improve your productivity when you work from home. Vastu Shastra is all about having a positive energy flow into your space. Positive energy flows and is channelized into your home and into your properties from the north side or the east side. So we strongly recommend that any windows which are on the east and the north side should be kept open. Recently, I had visited one of my clients. They were complaining that they have some problems, that the social circle has got disrupted and maybe there's less of clarity of mind and less of opportunities coming into their lives. I looked around, I analyzed all the other Vastu doshas that are prevalent, and I realized that the first thing was that the windows towards the south side were all kept open throughout the day, and the windows towards the north and east were all blocked, completely blocked. So I gave them a simple suggestion that keep the windows towards the east and the north and the northeast side open for maximum time. So as you get up in the morning, try to open up the windows towards the east and northeast, and try to keep the windows towards the south side closed for maximum time so that positive energies flows into your systems and the negativity is kept blocked. The second suggestion, always try to face the north or the northeast or the north side while taking decisions. So now, as you work from home, please orient your desk in such a manner that you're facing one of these positive zones, that again repeating, the north, northeast or the east side, so that the energies prompt you to take the right decisions. Never ever orient your desk facing the south side. South being the zone of Lord Yama, the Lord of Death. So I would strongly recommend that do not face the south side while taking any decisions towards family front or towards your business front. The third suggestion, in order to maximize the chances of gaining monetary benefits and opportunities, ensure that there is maximum greenery on the north of northwest, the north side, north of northeast, and the northeast and the eastern zones. So you may place some green plants, you may place a green wall curtain, you may place some artifacts which are in green color, you may have some wallpapers dominated in the green color. Alternatively, you may place a water feature, a water fountain in one of these zones which are ruled by the water element, so that you maximize your chances of monetary benefits and opportunities. Tip number 4. I have observed that a lot of people, they sit under overhead exposed beams or under sharp cornered furniture. What really happens is, when you're sitting under the beams or under sharp cornered furniture, a person can become a little stressed, disturbed, or the quality of decisions can get affected. So ensure that in case if your desk is under a beam, please move it a little backwards or forward so that you are safeguarded. Tip number 5, so that you get good support from your bosses and your subordinates, always ensure that there is no open window behind your seat, or people are not entering from behind you. So there should not be no door behind your seat. Try to have a solid wall or a partition on the back wall. So just please check into your homes that your seat has got a solid wall or a partition behind and no windows behind you. Many places I have seen that the desks are cluttered, severely cluttered. There are heaps and piles of files, stationery, and unwanted things lying around. What really happens is, when you have so much of clutter on your desk, a person may lose focus, may not be as attentive, may get a little disturbed. So in order to remain more focused and be attentive, ensure that your desk is neat, clean, files are kept in a very orderly manner into cabinets or drawers. Break away from your comfort zone. Make your choices. Adjust to the new normal. Decide to do these suggested modification changes in your home and workplace. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about Vastu tips for your bedroom so that it helps you to be more happy, more prosperous, and lead a more enriched life. I will look forward to seeing you at the next video. Let me know what you think of this video. If you found this valuable, then subscribe to our channel and also remember to press the bell button. We will continue to upload thought-provoking Vastu tip videos regularly. Namaste.